What's up guys, it's Coda here. Today we have CarCon 1 footage. The first game we have defuse and attack the bomb. This round we defend the bomb from the attackers. Enjoy the gameplay.
How do we know when the game starts?
I don't know. When they start rushing down that hill.
I thought it was when you hear the siren. Dude, the wind is gonna F up us so hard.
That's why we go this way and shoot that way.
That is true. Where are we gonna back off? Oh, that's starting.
I kind of want to get closer to it because I'm not using the cover.
Yeah.
I can't hit them. The wind is too. You have to aim far right if you're gonna try to hit them from this spot.
Yeah. I'm gonna move up.
Okay. Is that ice?
No. Yep.
I got it. Come on. Can I join in?
You're good. You can go now. I don't see. Oh, I'm hit now. Hey y'all, how you doing?
Hey man.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Where is the medic? Like your gloves, bro.
I know, but like that's
like the 10th time I got hit in the face. I love this game. Dude, I swear to God, if they gave like a 12-year-old medic.
Who's going first?
Me. Give me.
Now he's cool.
Let's.
How long till I get
Where's the medic at? Just hang out here. There's a lot of people right here.
Dude, you're coming with me.
Yeah, let's fucking go.
Go. I got it.
You get hit?
He's over there.
Okay, kid, come on, let's go. He's holding.
Push out.
You can't move, dude.
Go.
We're good?
Go down if you get hit.
I'm revived.
Yeah, you're good. Somebody bring these guys to me.
I got you.
Cover fire on the right.
You ready? Go.
Where are my runners? Move right. Runner, right here.
Come on. Okay, you see the guy with the orange strap? Let's go. Medic right here. All right, come on, let's go. We're good. Medic.
Push back out. Push out.
Hey, someone go get this guy. Bring him to medic.
Hey, watch the tower. We got green in the tower. Do you have range?
Yeah, let me see. Okay, I see it.
Come to me. You're good. Get back up. Watch the green here, right here.
Not sure if I hit that.
Where with you? Hey! Push the right side! They're pushing right in the face!
That's a hard thing.
On the tree!
Come on.
Oh, that smoke smells like crap. Am I really not hitting that guy? We can pull auto right here, right?
Yeah.
Shit. Can I peek?
Yeah, you go. They're just sitting in the trees and crouching right in the middle. Hit it, so. That's a big ass angle on this.
Watch out!
I got him, I think. Oh, that's me.
Who's else down? Just you?
Yep.
Get back.
You're at, really now.
Come on, let's go. Go, go, go.
Hit. I'm dead. Dead.
Round or enemy?
Yeah, they're moving. They're moving up from right here. I saw.
Yeah. What does that mean? Run over?
What?
Game, baby. That's right, boys.
That's right, boys. My gun is so inaccurate right now.
You better go out there and that's the game, man. The wind is not helping us. It's not giving us any favor. I gotta go reload mag.
I was just dying.
Next game wasn't the best either. I ended up getting sprayed by Blindfire. It wasn't the best game. But before we continue, a word from our sponsors. Today, ThruNite has given me the opportunity to try out one of their newest additions to the collection, the BSS V4 model. ThruNite is a company that aims at cost-effective products, which is great for people new to Airsoft and want a good light that they can mount to their gun that doesn't cost $100. Or if you simply want to explore the woods at nights with your buddies, this light does the job. Now, I've had a fair share of lights, TTR, Surefire, and many more, but none of them were a big box of goodies for an affordable price. They asked me to give my honest opinion on the light, and I have to say, I'm very surprised at the light. It's so convenient being a rechargeable, high-powered light, and it can also be recharged by the modern USB-C charging port, and powered by a battery that they even provide you. The light has a memory mode and a bunch of other options. It comes with a bunch of goodies, and it's amazing. Let's take a look. Alright, I'm going to show the light, but I'm in my yard right now. I got the light. I'm sure you guys can't see it yet. Obviously, it's pitch dark. But first off, we have Firefly Mode. You guys probably can't see it. I'll try to shine my foot. But it's the lowest mode it has. So, it's pretty much up close. It's very hard to see on camera. Next, we have low mode. Can go about 15 feet. You can see my car. Next we have medium. This is about the brightness of a TLR. My Surefire is a little bit brighter than this, but as you can see, it picks up the trees nicely. These are about 30 yards out, 30 to 40 yards out. You can see a lot more than what you can on the camera. Next we have high mode, and you could see way past those trees. High mode's pretty dang good. And then we have turbo mode, where it's just insane. This is where the 2000 luminums kick in. You can legit see everything in my yard. And if I shine it down, you guys can see this thing is very, very bright. Now, it does have another mode it can kick into. So if I triple click, you have that. And this is on high mode as well, so it's high mode strobe. Now if you automatically want to go to turbo, you press the back button, and it's cool. Thing about this flashlight is that it saves. It's got a memory. So say you want medium brightness and you turn the light off. You turn it back on, medium brightness. Now say you want the brighter brightness, you turn it off, turn it back on, it's back on brighter brightness. Now if you want the lowest, off, on, still gonna have low. Now if you turn it off at high and then press the back switch, it has turbo. As you guys can see, it's lighting up everything in the neighborhood. So this is actually a really, really good light. I really do like this, and I might actually use it over my Surefire. So it's very, very, very good light, if I have to say so myself. This thing's beautiful, rechargeable. So it actually looks and feels really sturdy. I've seen some video tests of it. This thing can go underwater, frozen, thrown to the ground, and it'll still work. So thank you so much, ThruNite, for sponsoring me. This light is actually very, very, very underrated, and it's extremely good. So I'm very happy that you guys chose me for this. But yeah, thank you. Thanks again to ThruNite. If you guys want to buy this light for yourself, links will be in the description. Now back to the video. In round 2, our objective is to arm the bomb. So now instead of defending, we are attacking. Let's go.
Damn. Is it just the screw or did it break?
It just broke off. My connector just broke.
What about your screw? Is it in?
Oh no, it's in. Like the stocking broke off. The upper just snapped.
I think, are you gonna be able to screw it back in, tighten it up again?
Oh no, it's screwed. Now you need to tape it or something.
Can, dude. Oh shit.
Battery though.
Yeah, that's gonna take soldering. Sorry, man.
Alright, I'm gonna move down. You ready? Go, you ready?
Go, 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 go. Hit. Oh, that's us down there?
Yeah, that's us. We're not over there.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I guess.
Let's go, I guess. Let them do the work, then we show up.
Yeah.
We were here the entire time. We're here to back you up.
Yeah, exactly. Seems like they're all fucking right over in that area.
Yeah, it looks like that now. Honestly, fling ourselves. Let's like everybody do a game of hide and go seek.
Bro.
I'm a rush.
Yeah, it's this one right back.
What are y'all looking at?
I don't know.
Go. Hey, you blind fired, dude. What? I'm not complaining, but you just blind fired the shit out of me.
No blind firing, guys. Now look down your sight.
The ref ended up having to remind everyone that blind firing was not allowed, and we ended up winning the game. That's going to be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the comeback of Airsoft. If you want to see more, obviously press like and comment your favorite part. I'm Coda, signing off. See you guys.
I was terrorizing, you was kicking rocks, nigga.